Way to go, two-wheel drive. You killed it. Hold on, watch that rock right there.
Slow! Why not stop?
I'm getting stressed.
Quickly, my truck's filling up.
Hey, I'm stuck.
This video is nothing more than just some highlight video that you'd see on the internet. This video is to show what I've done in a little over a year. It's a way for my family and friends, and even you guys, the viewers, to look back on my adventures, to see where I was and where I've come to. So stay tuned as I take you guys back down memory lane. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you stick around for more. In April of 2021, I started an Eaglesoverlanding YouTube channel as a way to show my family and friends my crazy adventures, which led to me getting to help, communicate, answer questions, and inspire some of you guys to find a passion in overlanding. It started with a video titled Welcome Home. In this video, a friend of mine introduced me to the Ozarks. This trip ignited that flame to get back into the woods and to explore what God's country has to offer us. When I finally got my truck back from the shop after a V8 swap was done, I slowly started exploring more of the Ozarks. But I returned to the same area of the Ozarks with my friend. Those adventures were fun. I would begin building my rig to best suit my adventures and seeing what I can get a two-wheel drive into. That's been an eye-opener for some. July 2021, I did my first trip still in the Ozarks with a rooftop tent, which was jerry-rigged to the bed of my truck as I was waiting for a bed rack and roof rack to be delivered. This trip definitely tested the rooftop tent's ability to hold up in some stormy weather.
Getting out, Mom, I promise.
At the end of July, I did my first solo trip, as well as my first time exploring the Ouachitas. Camping solo is a different feeling than when you are with your friend. But it wasn't until a guy named Kris Channel, who has known me ever since I had been in first grade many years ago, hit me up on Facebook and told me to call him. I later found out that he had a YouTube channel called Fast Track Overland. So in August of 2021, we scheduled our first camping trip in the Ouachita National Forest.
We're here. Fast Track Overlanding. Say hi, Kris.
Chicken fried rice, PF change. Keep it nice and simple.
Kris has been a huge inspiration and a big help to my channel, to which he has spent many hours helping me build my rig to how I want it. Kris and I went on many adventures. Some were relaxing and some were stressful. But those are memories and stories that can be told around a campfire for many years to come. As the year progressed and the truck build progressed, I began to continue exploring the rest of what Arkansas has to offer, to which I then met Taylor with Diamond State Off-Road. who has been doing YouTube for a couple years, but has lots of knowledge in the off-road scheme of things. Taylor and I met up for bonfire in the Ozarks, and ever since we have started planning trips, which has evolved to some pretty intense wheeling for my two-wheel drive. I then got the opportunity to meet up with Benji from the Budget Overland podcast and take my first trip to the Mark Twain National Forest, where that was a video to remember. Through the year, I've also gotten to meet some awesome people through certain events. Benji, Caleb, Brandon, Patrick, Mike, just to name a few. I want to thank you guys who have been supporting the channel since day one, and for those who have purchased merch or graciously donated. The overlanding community has been great to me, and I can't wait to begin another year of adventures.